Dipali Jayaswal, working as assistant professor in Madhyanchal Professional University. Today, I taught the topic of biochemical oxygen demand and chemical oxygen demand, basic definition and difference between the BOD and CO. Definition of BOD. BOD is the full form of biochemical oxygen demand. Definition of BOD is the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by aerobic biochemical biological organisms in a body of water to break down organic material present in a given water sample at certain temperature over a specific time period. Next, the term also refers to a chemical procedure for determining this amount. This is not a precious quantitative test, although it is widely used as an indication of the organic quality of water. The BOD value is most commonly expressed in a milligrams of oxygen consumed per liter of sample during 5 days of incubation at 20 degrees Celsius and is often used as a robust surrogate of the degree of organic pollution of water. COD, chemical oxygen demand. It is the full form of chemical oxygen demand is the amount of oxygen required to degenerate all pollution in a chemical way by adding or oxidizing agents and heating. In general, with chemical destruction, you can remove more pollution than with the biological way. It is expressed in milligrams per liter, also referred to as ppm, which indicates the mass of oxygen consumed per liter of solution. Difference between the BOD and COD. BOD is only a measurement of consumed oxygen by creative organism to decompose or oxidize organic matter. Next, COD. COD refers the requirement of dissolved oxygen for the oxidizing of organic and inorganic constitute both. Although some of the organic compounds which can be broken down by microorganisms are countable for the biological oxygen demand, they may not be encountered in a measuring chemical oxygen demand. Important points, BOD is similar in function to chemical oxygen demand in that both measure the amount of organic compounds in water. However, COD is less specific since it measures everything that can be chemically oxidized rather than just labels of biologically active organic matter. For many years, the strong oxidizing agents potassium permanganate KMNO4 was used for measuring. The chemical oxygen demand measurements were called oxygen consumption from permanganate. Rather than the oxygen demand of organic substances, potassium permanganate's effectiveness at oxidizing organic compounds varied widely, and in many cases, biochemical oxygen demand measurements were often much greater than permanganate was not able to effectively oxidize all organic compounds in water, rendering it is relatively poor oxidizing agents for determining COD. Of COD, the following formula is used to calculate COD. COD equals to 8000 B minus S N sample volume, where B is the volume of FAS used in the blank sample, S is the volume of FAS in the original sample, and N is the normality of FAS if millimeter are used constantly for volume measurement. The result of the COD calculation is given in mg per liter. The COD can also be estimated from the concentration of oxidizable compound in the sample based on its reaction with oxygen to yield CO2. Assume all C goes to CO2, H2O, assume all H goes to H2O, and NH3, assume all N goes to NH3. Using the following formula, COD equals to C upon FW, RMO 32, where C equals to concentration of oxidizable compounds in the sample. FW is the formula weight of the oxidizable compound in the sample. RMO ratio of the has of moles of oxygen to of moles of oxidizable compounds in their reaction to CO2. Water and ammonia, for example, if a sample has 500 W ppm of phenol, Calculation of BOD. BOD 5 is calculated by dilution method. Unseeded BOD 5 D note minus D5 divided by P. Seeded BOD 5 D note D5 minus B note minus B5 multiply F divided by P, where D note is the dissolved oxygen DO of the diluted solution after preparation milligram per liter. D5 is the DO of the diluted solution after 5-day incubation. P is the decimal dilution factor. B note is the DO of diluted sheet sample after preparation milligram per liter. B5 is the DO. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.